The ultimate guide to Morpheus8 treatments. Morpheus8 is a cutting-edge, non-surgical cosmetic treatment that stimulates collagen production and recontours the skin to make it appear tighter, brighter, and more youthful. My patients have been consistently thrilled with the results. Morpheus8 can help lift, plump, and tighten sagging skin. It can also help address many other problems like scarring, acne, uneven pigmentation, sun damage, and stretch marks. Here's a quick guide. What is Morpheus8? Morpheus8 is a treatment that combines microneedling technology with radiofrequency therapy to stimulate natural collagen production, reduce fat tissue, and help resurface the skin. That's one of my favorite things about it is you get the tightening, you get the texture, all in one treatment. It can be used on the face, neck, and body to tighten and firm sagging or wrinkled problem areas. Unlike some non-surgical cosmetic technology, Morpheus8 works well on all skin tones. The treatment is done in office and usually takes between 20 and 60 minutes, depending on how many areas of the face or the body are being treated. There are no incision stitches or operating rooms required. Morpheus8 treatment basics. So the way that it works is you'll come into your provider's office, we numb the area with a topical numbing cream. This is usually for about an hour, and then we apply the Morpheus treatment to the areas that we have talked about. We make sure that you're in a comfortable position. And then afterwards, we apply a medical grade hyaluronic acid serum because it moisturizes very nicely without clogging any of the pores, and a broad spectrum sunscreen. This protects your skin and hydrates your skin. And then we advise you to do this at home 3 to 4 times a day until your skin is completely healed. I generally recommend that patients get 3 consecutive treatments of Morpheus8 and then come back and reevaluate where they're at and where the results are. You may need maintenance done on about an annual basis, and even just one little booster treatment a year can help maintain your look and your texture and your tightness. I also combine Morpheus8 with other treatments like Face Tight, topical exosomes, or platelet-rich plasma to further rejuvenate the skin and give you even more of a radiant and youthful glow. Some of these topical treatments can help heal the skin even faster, so you're back to work quicker and give you a better result. What does Morpheus8 treat? Morpheus8 will treat sagging skin on the lower face or jowls underneath the chin, under the chin here, as well as lines, wrinkles, creases. You can use it to raise the brows, just tightening and lifting anywhere. If you have sun-damaged skin, acne, or acne scars, this might be a good option for you. Beyond just the face, it can also treat stretch marks, which is nice because not much does, loose skin, anywhere on the body, such as our little irritating bra rolls on the back and the sides, and of course the tummy. And above the knees is really nice too. Is Morpheus8 as good as a facelift? No non-invasive treatment is ever going to be a facelift. If there is, that will be amazing, but we're just not there yet. But it does many of the same things. So you have tightening in the same direction and idea of the facelift, but it's not quite as dramatic or as long lasting. But that being said, it will definitely be noticeable, confidence boosting. Otherwise, I wouldn't want to do it because you always want to have a good bang for your buck. It's a perfect treatment for people who are very busy, who want overall anti-aging, but don't have the downtime that you would have with a facelift. So the difference is 2 weeks of downtime with a facelift versus maybe a day or 2 with a Morpheus. And this is a great option for people who are in their 30s, 40s, and 50s who only have a little bit of skin laxity, and a little bit of tightening is going to be amazing. In some cases, you may consider getting this at a younger age to help keep you maintained and keep you from needing a facelift in the future. So for certain patients, it's a great preventative treatment. How long is recovery after a Morpheus8 treatment? This is one of the biggest advantages of Morpheus8 is there's very little downtime. Your face is a little bit red like a sunburn for about a day or 2, and most people are able to resume normal activities after that 48-hour period. You can be red up to 5 days, but the average is 2 to 3. We want to make sure that you keep your skin well moisturized and protected from the sun for that first week after the procedure, but you're able to go back to work. I've had people go back to tennis, all kinds of things, very easily. And any redness that you have is concealed with makeup by day 2. Make sure you avoid direct sunlight, said for about a week. And if you're experiencing any unusual pain or worrisome symptoms, call your doctor's office immediately and let them know. How much does Morpheus8 treatment cost? The cost of a Morpheus8 treatment depends on how many areas you're having treated, what part of the country you live in, and the expertise level of your practitioner performing the procedure. Your surgeon or doctor will give you a more precise estimate at your initial consultation, but generally a full-face Morpheus8 treatment costs anywhere from $700 to $1,500. Even if you require 3 consecutive treatments to achieve the desired results, you're still only paying a fraction of the price of a facelift with none of the downtime. And if you're only having certain target areas addressed, the cost may even be lower. Do I need a Morpheus8 doctor near me? If you're in the Houston area or interested in traveling for Morpheus8 treatments, please reach out to my office to discuss your surgical and non-surgical options. We're happy to answer any of your questions. It is not uncommon for my patients to fly in from elsewhere to have me perform their surgery or treatment. Have questions? I genuinely look forward to speaking with you. Email me anytime. Thanks for watching.